This is going to be a short video on the basics on how to build the breadboard to program the AT24C02 EEPROM. Going to take a look first at the EEPROM IC itself. Pins 1, 2, and 3 are the addressing pins. 4 is the power ground pin. 5 is the serial data pin of the I2C bus, and that ties to A4 on the Arduino. Pin 6 is the serial clock of the I2C bus, and that ties to A5 on the Arduino. 7 is the write protect pin, and 8 is the +5 VCC power pin. Okay, now we'll take a look at what the finished product looks like. This, of course, is the EEPROM. I'm using the Pro Mini Arduino to program it. This device here is the AT24C02 serial adapter board that ties the USB port from the computer to the Arduino. So it's a pretty simple build. There isn't a real lot to it. Now we'll take a closer look here at the board itself. And here we can see the EEPROM. These are pins 1, 2, 3, and 4. For all purposes right now, they are tied to the ground power rail. And this is the +5 positive power rail. 1, 2, and 3 were the addressing pins. And 4 is the ground power pin. Pin 5 is the serial data pin. That's the one that ties to A4 on the Arduino. Pin 6 is a serial clock pin that ties to A5 on the Arduino. They're for the I2C bus. These two 10K resistors are tied to the +5 rail because they're the pull-up resistors for the I2C bus. So one goes to serial data, the other one goes to the serial clock. Pin 7 is the write protect pin. Right now it's tied to the ground power rail, because if it's tied to the +5 power rail, that puts the EEPROM into the write protect mode, so you cannot write to it. So being we want to write to the EEPROM, we have to tie it to the ground power rail. And of course pin 8 is the +5 power pin. And that's about it. I just wanted to give a quick view of it. Very basic build. Don't see any problem why it shouldn't be done in a matter of a half hour or so. Catch you on the next video.